as Balazovic rocks and the big righty delivers. Slow roller hit to third. Lee played perfectly near the shortstop's normal position. Got it. Fired over. Rave.
It's always good to have that threat on first base. Speed that pitcher up a little bit. Hopefully he'll leave a ball up.
And he's going on the first pitch. Throw down, not in time. Boy, he had that one swiped as soon as he's got tremendous speed, but he had a great jump, as you said. It fun to watch him take off. Lee looking to get something going. He's looking for his first hit of the week. 1-1. He'll hit that one high in the air, foul. 1-2 pitch coming up from Hatch. Delivers off the plate to make it 2 balls and 2 strikes on Howie. The 2-2. That one hit high in the air, fouled. It's odd that that is the case. Pitch is swung on and missed. Ooh, a change up there. Got him. Lee strikes out. There's 2 down. It's been a strikeout, walk, strikeout.
Kind of what you talked about earlier. Guy has a lot of strikeouts, but he can get wild once in a while with some walks. When I managed in the big leagues against Jimmy Leland when he was with Pittsburgh Pirates, he used to always have that team that they would bunt in the first inning. Jay just never, his arm never caught up, left it always on the glove side.
Matt Seelinger is the one who is loosening up down in the Mud Hens bullpen. Pitched very well in relief. A couple of nights back, went 3 innings. Pitch is driven high in the air, foul off. And the 0-1 is popped up. Straight away center field, and actually in a fade into left center, and racing in at the last moment is Melendez. He'll make the grab. And right in front of his center fielder, Rave. But it's an out. Howie Lee. That'll bring up Bly Madris with 1 down and a runner. As Hoffman delivers, first pitch strike. Change up. Well, deceptive. I thought we'd be a little bit higher today, but the paid figure, 4,317. I guess we're in the early season mode, my guessing seasons. I got him the last couple of years, and it was starting to frustrate him a little bit. Pitch is going to bounce, and the 1-2 fouled right at the plate. So what he did last year, and you'd love this. So what he did last year was when Brad would fill in for me early in the year, he would try to, because he knew he could get Brad. So they would try to guess on every day, you know, and when I was doing hockey, because he knew if we get into the summer, I'm getting good at it now. So, you know, he knew I was going to catch up. He was smart, but he'd get Brad. Brad would beat him once in a while.
He took advantage of Brad.
He was, you know, he's a smart guy. Runners at first and second. 1-2 pitch coming up. Swing and a miss. Howie Lee goes down on a fastball. It was in the top part of the zone from Hoffman at 96 miles an hour. Lee 0 for 3 today. Bly Madris, a walk and 2 trips. Will come to the plate.
I don't know if Gabe Alvarez might have thought that if...
Runner in scoring position for Hicklin. Bottom of the 7th. And the pitch is a strike. If you're not watching on Valley Sports Line, creeping over that way, pitch will be upstairs. 1 ball, 1 strike on the 1-1. Lee's going to take a strike. That's a cutter in there. Pitch is fouled back to the screen off the bat of Howie Lee. Howie Lee, no hits at all in this series. Does have an RBI.
That's a tough series.
Good time for a hit now.
Absolutely. This is it.
And he drives one to left, and it is going to get down. Towards the corner it goes. Rounding third. In to score is Hicklin. And standing at second is Howie Lee. A 2-out double to make it 2-0 in favor of the Hens. Well, you called it, Tom. It was time.
Not only time, I think it was our best chance because this left-hander is really hard on our left-hand hitters. And I felt like the two righties that got up there this inning have both gotten base hits.